Select your desired language and press OK. Select your environment and press OK. Select your desired option and press OK. Select Set up new wireless connection and press OK. Scroll to your desired wireless network and press OK. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the virtual keyboard, then select Connect and press OK. Using a computer, tablet, or mobile device, visit my.roku.com/link and follow the on-screen instructions. Press OK. Select the desired option and press OK. Press OK to complete setup.